Okay, so what I'm going to talk to you briefly about is some PhD opportunities, really in the space between our standard disciplines. We're particularly interested in looking at the challenges that are associated with trying to make the world a better place, making greener products, making more sustainable products and services. And as part of that, there is a huge opportunity to take advantage of digital technologies, but it's not totally clear how we can use the emerging digital capabilities to make our products better, more sustainable, greener, etc. So this set of projects is really around the interface between, ITC, so things like technologies around computing, around communications, those types of things, and how we design products, whether that is a mechanical product, an electrical product, whether that's a civil structure or system, whether that's a chemical process, etc. So it's quite generic around what it is, but it's trying to take digital technologies and improve those products and processes. So we know there is lots of things available to us in terms of big data, in terms of robotics and automation, in terms of artificial intelligence. But how best can we use those to make a better world? So we know this is an opportunity, but we know it's a challenge, and it's a challenge because today's products and processes and the systems in industry that make them really aren't ready for this revolution, this new way of working, this opportunity with the amount of data, with the amount of automation that might be possible in the future. And a real challenge is that we don't have, either as a society or within individual industries, the actual people with the expertise that transitions between the kind of core engineering topics and the computer science topics. They're just not there, and if the people aren't there, we aren't going to be able to make these changes. And then really that's what drives this initiative, is to try and train engineers, graduating PhD students who understand the broader landscape. They understand how products and processes are designed and manufactured, but they understand data, they understand communications, etc. And that's really where we're focused.